Come test drive the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.